What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Second Line Surgeon. This is what we are working with today.
Say hello to my little friend.
You can see it. It's a nice little hill. I do this every year. Basically, she gets me to get all these leaves up out of the yard and put it into the woods down here. So what I usually do first is I go to the front yard and I get all those leaves and I put them in a pile right here, and then I start in the backyard and I just blow them all down the hill. But I fixed my monster leaf bag, so we got that. Here's a beer bottle. I don't want to run over that with my lawnmower, but I'm not even going to use my lawnmower back here. Like I said, I just use that good old leaf blower magic. And I just blow all this stuff down the hill. It takes a long time. It don't take a long time, but it's dang, they got more bottles back here. They don't got a recycling thing. Dang. But anywho, got me distracted with all the trash. Yeah, it's just easy for me to blow it down the hill because it's not like I'm fighting the wind or fighting going up a hill. I'm going down the hill. I got a couple videos on this. I think I have one that's called blowing leaves downhill. The link up here if y'all care to watch. And then I have another video that was techniques on how to blow leaves down here. I think it was a Lawn and Order. Doom doom boom 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 boom. Leave comments, like the video if y'all want me to bring Lawn and Order back. I don't really got nothing to give y'all tips about, but anywho, let me get to work. Alright, got the Mustang here, got the Craftsman here, light day. Let me show y'all what I did to the monster leaf bag. Look at this came with it actually, if y'all can see. Just like a cover. I was supposed to put it on. I just basically stapled it, and then I sealed up the hole up under it. See where that crease is? That's where the hole was. I sealed that up, and then I stapled the cover to it. So, and that cover covers up those holes I was talking about. They're under there somewhere. So, yeah. Anyway, get to work. There go that pile of leaves, people. All them leaves. And there goes the heroes for the day. Yes, sir. Alright, people, so got it done. As you can see, got all cleaned up. Got the monster leaf back there. Mustang and Associates. Yes, sir. This bagging system has been freaking awesome. Destroy Bilt. Blower handheld has been freaking awesome. Yeah. Husqvarna has been kicking butt for years. I want to say 2014 is when I got that, so I've had it for 4 years. Been my main blower, and I've had other blowers I try to get to come add to it, but this Troy Bilt. Let me walk y'all around front. Oh my gosh. As y'all can see, look at that line. That crispy line right there. Where the leaves stop and start. There's the little tarp I had put on there. That came off as soon as I started. Let me grab that. Oh. Here's the front. Not too shabby if I don't say so myself. Anywho, I'm about to get out of here. Cowboys game just started like 30 minutes ago. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yes, sir.